You're watching the replay. Hello, replay people. Hello. Hello, thank you for joining Impromptu Live. Hello. Just waiting to see if anybody else gets on. I didn't really announce it. I wasn't planning on going live, but thank you so much for joining. I got a box in the mail. Hello, Mr. Mustachio. Hello, Jeffrey Bushholes. I'm hoping I said that right. It's like up to Americans to butcher everything, you know. Hello, Trevorisman. Well, you know, it's a username, so I don't know if that's your full name, but hello anyways. Yeah, this is an impromptu. I basically got a box in the mail, right? This is from Death Grip. I don't know what's inside. I'm super excited to open it. So today I was like, I'm just going to play around with my mustache. I grabbed some of the Death Grip Extra Strong and put that in today. Was just fooling around, seeing what I could do. I'm not as familiar with the Extra Strong as I am the Sudden Death. I put that in quite a lot. So definitely got to give a shout out. If you haven't tried it, Death Grip Pomade in the hair. I mean, this stuff is awesome. So like I said, I got a box in the mail from Death Grip. And I'm going to open it here in front of you guys. I only cracked the top open. I haven't looked inside. So we're going to do this live so everybody can see on Death Grip Day, right? It's Good Tuesday. All right. So, oh my goodness. So, check this out so far, right? Just cracked it open. Other than me, you guys are the first ones to see it, right? I don't know what's in here, but this is sweet. Look at this. A white Death Grip shirt to go along with my black one. This is super awesome. Mail call. Gotta love it. Oh my goodness. What was under the shirt, you ask? Look at that. I gotta crack this stuff open and show you guys. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for Tuesday. Ooh. Vintage Grooming Unscented Beard Oil. Check that out. Oh, I love you guys. Vintage Grooming and Death Grip. Love you guys. And if you guys go over and shop anything over there, use my code 28Elliot to save yourself 20% off. Oh, wow. Check it out. Wildwood, right? Wildwood. Oh, I'm so excited. You got to take care of your mustaches too. You got to keep them clean. And on days you don't wax, put some beard oil in it, right? Keep it healthy. Keep it strong, right? But don't put oil in if you're going to wax. Wax is oil soluble. Yeah, it is excellent packaging. This one is Barber's Choice. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. I'm not going to crack open each one. Oh, and do that and drool, right? I don't want to get drool all over my shirt. Death Grip's here. Oh my God. Yes. I cracked it open. I showed the white shirt. Been showing off the beard oil. This is so awesome. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Classic Spice from Vintage Grooming. Box almost fell, right? What is this? Tea infused shave oil. Yeah, I did a little shaving today, right? Oh, ho, 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 ho. I'm gonna open this up and smell this. I got to. There's shave soap. Check it out. I just started getting into shaving with the old-timey brushes and stuff and using the shave soap. And let me tell you, that is one heck of a great experience. Let me crack this thing open and see what the African Black aroma is like. Let me see. Okay, there's the bar. Oh, wow. Oh, that's got a nice little, not overpowering. It's got a fresh, like, soapy smell. I don't know how to really describe it, but it smells amazing. Oh, thank you guys so much, Death Grip Vintage Grooming. So, the shave soap, shave oil, Because, you know, I've been shaving since I was 12. I'm 47 now. I still nick myself all the time, and it's nice to kind of put that on. I got me some Classic Spice beer. You guys still there? Okay, I got some weird phone call. So, Barber's Choice. I've got Wildwood. I've got Unscented. And I think I showed them to you. And Classic Spice, plus the white shirt. I had no idea what was inside the box. I'm super, super stoked to get it. Thank you, everybody over at Death Grip and Vintage Grooming. Once again, like I said, if you haven't gotten this yet, you know, for your hair, this pomade is amazing. Today, I threw in the Death Grip Extra Strength. I wanted to use it a little bit more because I'm not as familiar with it. It definitely takes a little bit of a different tactic when you go in. Gonna have to order some of that. Yeah, so if you go on, you can use my code 28Elliot on Amazon. Save yourself 20%. I know when I ordered Sudden Death, it saved me like $3, and that really helped. The pomade is great. The Death Grip Extra Strength. I've got a hairdryer without a diffuser, so I had to hold the hairdryer like back here and try to do it and run the comb through. But it came out pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with the mustache today. I did use their metal comb, which I got to clean off. You got to do some maintenance. I bet you don't even own a factory. Me? No, I don't own a factory. Death Grip pick. So anything that your handcrafted stuff that Death Grip makes, you can use my code. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for anybody who's going to watch the replay. I opened the box up to share with you guys. Read the above. I don't know if I can. Oh, I can scroll through. Once I save this, it's going to be gone. Excellent packaging. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, all I see is it says, I bet you don't own a factory. So something might have got lost in the translation there, Mr. Mustachio. But thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys so much. I love the likes, the follows, the comments. Even when you tag me and stuff, I try to go out and check them out. Death Grip today, Vintage Grooming. Did a little unboxing. So if you missed any of it, go back, watch the replay. Once again, thank you, Death Grip and Vintage Grooming. You have just made my Tuesday. So I'm Bob, and this is Elliot Norris, my mustache. You guys have a wonderfully bearded day, and take care of those mustaches with some beard oil on non-waxing days. I love you guys. All right, we'll talk to you later.